I am going to deliver a lecture on classification of fishes. Classification of fishes. The fishes are classified into 7 classes according to Berg. First of all, what are fishes? Fishes are poikilothermic aquatic gnathostomes having gills for respiration and fins for their locomotion. Then the classification of fishes by Berg in 1940. According to Berg, the fishes are classified into 7 classes. The superclass Pisces. Superclass Pisces is divided into 7 classes according to Berg. First class Pterichthys. Second class Cocostii. And third class Acanthodiae. So these 3 classes represents extant group of fishes. Extant group of fishes. And the Pterichthys, Cocostii and Acanthodiae collectively referred to as placoderm. Placoderm. The literal meaning of placoderm is the plate-like skin. Plate-like skin. And they started their existence during Silurian period. And going to end with the end of Permian period. They lived during the Paleozoic era. Therefore, it is referred to as Paleozoic fishes. Therefore, it is referred to as Paleozoic fishes. And this is all about the first 3 class, Pterichthys, Cocostii and Acanthodiae. And next 4 classes number 4 Elasmobranchiae. Number 5 Holocephali. Number 6, Dipnoi. 7, Teleostomi. Elastobrine K possesses a subclass Silicae. It is divided into two order, Pleurotomata and Hypotomata. These are two order, first and second. In case of Pleurotomata, for example, Scoledon. In case of Hypotomata, for example, Prestis and Diacetus. That include Skates and Rage. Skates, it comes under the categories of Skates and Rage. These two order, the subclass Silicae can be divided into two orders on the basis of presence of gill slits. If gill slits are situated on each lateral side of the body, then it is referred to as Pleurotomata. When gill slits are present on ventral side of the body, that is why it is referred to as Hypotomata. That includes only Skates and Rage. For example, Prestis and Diacetus, and in case of Pleurotomata, there is a Scoledon, that is also known as dog faces. Holocephali, for example, Chimera and Dipnoi. The literal meaning of Dipnoi is double mode of breathing mechanism. And Teleostomi. The teleostomi is further divided into two subclasses. Subclass A, Crossopterygiae. For example, Latimeria chalumni. That includes lobe fins. Second subclass B, Actinopterygiae. That includes ray fin. Divided into several orders. So this is the classification of fishes by Berg, divided into 7 classes. First 3 classes that represent extinct group of fishes, that is collectively referred to as Placoderm. And fourth class elasmobranchiae, 5th class holocephaly, 6th class dipnoid, and 7th telostomere. Telostomere again divided into 2 subclasses. Rasoterzae, for example, Latimeria charumni. This is the oldest living fossils. And Actinopterzae, that includes only ray fin fishes, that is divided into several orders. So this is the classification of fishes by Berg. But next, second aspect, the classification of fishes by Romer. By Romer. (1959). So what is difference between Berg and Romer classification? According to Romer, the 4th class elasmobranchiae and 5th class holocephaly included in a single class that is called chondrichthyes, that includes only cartilaginous fishes, and dipnoi and teleostomi. These two classes included in a single class Osteichthyes, that includes only bony fishes. So according to Romer, the fishes are classified into 5 classes, not 7 classes. So according to Romer, the fishes are classified into 5 classes. The first 3 classes are same in case of Romer. That is called placoderm. First, second, and third. Placoderm. First, Pterichthys, second, Cocostei, and third, Acanthodiae. And fourth class, number 4, Chondrichthyes. And fifth class, Osteichthyes. The Osteichthyes again divided into 2 subclasses. Subclass A, Sarcopterygiae, and subclass B, Actinopterygiae. That includes without lobate fin. Divided into several orders. And Sarcopterygiae again divided into two order. Crossopterygiae and first order, two order, first order Crossopterygiae and second order Dipnoi. Dipnoi also known as lungfishes because it possesses lungs for their aerial respiration. Dipnoi represented by only three genus throughout the world. First, number 1, Protopterus. Number 2, Leptosiren. Number 3, Neoceratodus. The first genus Protopterus reported in South Africa. Second genus Leptosiren reported from North America. And third genus Neoceratodus reported from Australia. The Protopterus have two lungs and Leptosiren have a single lung and Neoceratodus possess two lungs. So in this way, Dipnoi means having double mode of breathing mechanism. The Dipnoi possess lung as well as gills for their aerial and aquatic respiration respectively. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. That's all.